Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP Tip 54. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you a very useful tool to display all enhancement for any SAP transactions and more. So here right now we are in the mentioned transaction, and this is the transaction ANST. Once you've entered this command, this transaction code in the command field, then this transaction will open up. And here basically you can specify in which kind of area you would like to display all the enhancements. So here right now, I would like to show you all the enhancements for one transaction, for the transaction MM02. I have already made an own video showing you a nice trick to find the BADI for implementing this BADI in any SAP transaction. I will link the corresponding video, and here right now you have more functionalities. So directly let's get started. So for example, here as mentioned, you select the type or the option transaction, then in here you enter the transaction in that you would like to display all the available enhancements. You enter a short description, so for example test MM02, and then the second time, because I have done this already. And then what you have to do is that you click on this execute button or hit the F8 key. And then you will jump into the mentioned and specified transaction, in this case MM02, to change material data. I select basically the basic data 1. I'm making some change, so for example adding the description, and then I hit the save button. Then in the background the trace will be formatted properly. Then after the format has been done, this takes a couple of seconds, you will end up in here. So in here all the enhancements are grouped into different application components based on the transaction that you have opened up. And here for example you can open up any folder that you would like to, and here get some detailed information what is happening in here basically. Via double click, so for example here this class, you can end up in here. What you can do to display all the enhancements, the custom enhancements in this transaction, you have to specify a component or multiple components, and then you have to click on the button customer code. Once done, then all the custom objects will be displayed, in this case one BADI implementation, and with double click you will land up in the SE19, so within the BADI implementation, and here you can analyze this. You can click on some methods to see what kind of coding is there and so on. And if you would like to, because here all the enhancements are listed, if you would like to get to know what this object type is all about, then you can open up the search help and enter here this object type, and then here you can see that, as mentioned, the BADI implementation is specified in here. And if we're going back here, what you can do is with open trace, you can here specify some selection criteria, and then you can also open up other saved traces. So as mentioned, I've done this already, so select this for example, and then execute this, and then basically the same result because I've done the same steps, but here you will see another trace. And here you can also click on customizing tables to have a closer look in there. So this is also quite useful. If you want, you can also download the trace to search it in other applications. You can make a node search, an SAP node search, if the RC destination is configured properly. So they have also more possibilities. And also for setting up the ANST properly, here you can go to settings, and here this is fine. Here as mentioned, you can specify the RC destination for viewing the available SAP nodes. And here under object customizing, you can customize basically the objects that are included in the ANST. So yeah, this is also great to have it in there. And as mentioned, this is a great tool to get easily an overview of all the custom enhancement in any SAP transactions. Just activate the trace as shown. And yeah, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video, and please be aware there are still great videos about ABAP tips and tricks available. 46, so stay tuned and see you in the next video.